I just wanted to put up this new set of ratchets that I just bought. This is the Blackhawk Slim Profile ratchet. This is a full set of 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4. They have the model number near the bottom there. And I haven't taken these apart yet, but I'm pretty sure that this is a, well, one, they're definitely lubed with something because it's all over my hands, but this is a, roto head or a Vacom style mechanism inside of these. These are 72 teeth. It does look like that head is magnetic. Yep. That's nice. I see some styles like this where the selector knob is cast aluminum or Zamac, and sometimes they break. We'll take this big guy apart here. We'll take a look at it. I'm pretty sure this is a Vacom style with the heart spring, which is just fine. These are really robust mechanism. All right, we'll take this cap off. We'll be careful with it because sometimes that heart spring can be under tension and it can come popping out. Yep, that's what it is. Pull that out of there real quick. It's definitely got some sort of black grease in it. There's your big wide pawl that almost near the same width as the gear inside of there. The already kind of doing this light here. The broaching looks really good in it. All greasy. These can kind of be a pain in the butt to put back together. Might take a couple tries, but these larger sizes with that larger heart ring, snap ring, not really a snap ring, but this heart spring rather, they're kind of easier to do with it being a 1/2 inch size here that I'm messing with. I try to get that heart just kind of situated in there. Yeah, not gonna want to do it. It's awfully hard doing this looking through a camera. All right, and there's that pin that's going to sit down in the bottom of that heart, down in the V portion of it. And I kind of want to go overshoot center, put it in, and then slide it down under tension into that heart spring. That way I know it's kind of in that crook of the V. And I always like to tighten these up pretty tight at first and then back them off just a hair. I'll back it off just a little bit. Yep. See the anvil play on it? It's like nothing. No, man, wow. Here's that 3/8. Man, if there's 10,000 slop in there, I'd be surprised. this 1/4" one is. Oh, it's the same way. Super tight. Probably stand to loosen this up just a hair more. They don't have to be super tight. The mechanism's super stout. Yeah, that feels better. Oh, feels pretty good. Nope, dropped my wrench. Good thing I'm done with it. Anyway, I'll pull them up here to where you can kind of see them a little bit better. Wipe grease off it there. The stamped or inscribed Blackhawk is really nice in there. That's the bottom. There's a side profile on it. Thinner here, kind of tapers up. Whoop. I'm almost thinking that these are coming out of the same. The package didn't say it. Here's, I don't know which model this is for, but there was no other indication on it there. But a lot of these of this style usually come out of Italy. I know there's some more expensive kind of DeWalt hand ratchets that I think Snap-Ring Chronicles did one a while back, and they were made in Italy. This was just a loose set that just came in the envelope with the 3 wrenches, so 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4. No, I'm perfectly happy with that. Roto head Faycon style. And it does look like the anvils on them, the squares on them, were machined. Kind of see some fine tooling marks down at the bottom of it. And then I guess they were Parkerized or whatever they are. Pretty nice. All of them. Holding the head, you know, I can tell that there's something in all of them. This one almost feels like it's got like fresh grease in it or something, man. It's great. Back drag on them's not too bad for being a brand new wrench. This one's a little tighter here. That's all right. Pretty nice. Try to stand them up there so you can get an idea of all of them. Man, looking through this screen so hard. Alright. Just wanted to put them up here. I haven't seen any on YouTube, so I figured I'd put them up there and let everybody see them. Test these other ones too for that top. Yeah, it's magnetic. So the 3/8 and the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch have steel switch knobs on them. Pretty good looking set. Alright guys, take care.